What is I-345? Interstate 345 is located on the east side of downtown Dallas. I-345 carries traffic traveling between I-30, US 75, I-45, and Woodall-Rogers. Although I-345 carries more than 180,000 vehicles every day, most people don't realize they're driving on it. Why study I-345? Transportation planning is an important part of what TxDOT does. We are jumping ahead of the curve to begin planning for the future of this road. TxDOT is looking at traffic data, land use and economic development studies, and stakeholder feedback to provide recommendations for the future of the roadway. We need your help in telling us how you use I-345. The video below is taking us from I-45 to I-345 as we pass I-30. We are now on I-345 traveling north towards US 75. The ramp to Good Latimer Expressway can be seen on the right. We are now traveling over Main Street. Civic Avenue can be seen down below. Here's a look at Live Oak Street and Good Latimer Expressway. We are now approaching Ross Avenue, US 75, and Woodall-Rogers Freeway. I-345 transitions to US 75 once you pass the Woodall-Rogers interchange. Be a part of the conversation and provide your input.